one day in summer, if y'all don't know, Mari-Tate's a little emotional, and she had called me bawling her eyes out, which is typical. Like, I didn't think it was going to be anything. She was calling me to tell me that she thinks she liked Jamison. And I was like, so why are we bawling our eyes out?
We've been waiting for this moment forever, and I have to say it's truly the most amazing finale of weddings.
People spend their entire lives looking for a love that they found at 15.
To watch y'all's family grow and our family grow together is truly a treasure in all of our hearts, and we're so thankful. And we love you guys.
I love y'all, and I wish y'all nothing but the best because y'all are amazing.
Say love you guys. Nope. Okay, great. Congratulations.
Empty canvas, the future and all that could be. Shadows turning into light, our eyes open wide.
First off, married, you look gorgeous. You're definitely his better half.
I don't remember where we met. I think I was probably copying homework off you in either chemistry or what I'm not proud to say, like math models. It was like already a remedial class.
From picking these two up on New Year's Eve at 1 o'clock in the morning when they're leaving a New Year's Eve party in the middle of the road somewhere to just all of, the events that we do, the Christmas parties and everything.
He figured out something pretty before like any of us did that was his age that he hung around. And that was that love is the one thing that you can't buy, trade, or sell. That girl right there is the only thing he really cared about. Ever since I met him, that's a fact.
They truly are meant to be.
Thank you guys very much, and happy for y'all. I'm proud of y'all.
Cheers to y'all.
Mari-Tate, you are the most loving, emotional, passionate, heartwarming.
That is a good thing.
And did I say emotional person? You are my best friend. You are the first person that comes to my mind when I want to talk to someone. You bring a smile to my face when no one else can. I promise to encourage you and inspire you to be the best person that I know you can be. I promise to laugh at all your jokes, even when I know they're not funny. I promise to do everything in my power to give you everything you desire and everything you deserve. I promise to lift you up when you are down and love you unconditionally.
To my very best friend and the love of my life. It all started when we were 15 years old with no care in the world and always driving around in your big lifted yellow Jeep. Graduating from high school together to going off to college, going through multiple universities, and finally both graduating from A&M. I guess you can say we finally achieved your 5-year plan you always planned for us. I always knew you were my person, forever growing with each other. I will forever be your person, to love you, to encourage you, and to push you to be your best self. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Embracing the place that we found. Shadows turning into light, our eyes open wide. When we're together, the world comes alive. Every color shining so bright. The hope that we hold, the story unfolds. Together we find.
By the authority vested in me by the state of Tennessee, to pronounce you husband and wife, you may kiss your bride.
One day at a time, we'll get there one day at a time. When we're together, the world comes alive. Every color shining so bright. The hope that we hold, the story unfolds. Together we find we'll get there one day at a time. Up in the clouds, reaching the stars from the ground. Lost in this scars.